Hi all, this is Chris from ManageEngine New Zealand from Soft Solutions team. In this week's video, I'm going to talk about the challenges faced by all government agencies and how ManageEngine solutions can help in overcoming the challenges. Challenges like implementing modern network infrastructure, rolling out modern Windows or modern day management of with Windows 10 or mobile devices management, managing critical applications and data in a hybrid environment, because that's quite common right now, because a lot of organization moving from their native on-premises to their Office 365 and moving to government cloud, and supporting legacy systems with updates, vulnerability patches, and other maintenance that includes not just the native Windows, but also their third-party applications. If they have a Linux machines or any other OS that's there, then uh, you know making sure that those devices are secure, and discovering and mapping modern IT assets. That's the major task, IT asset management for government organization with their complex network, widespread. So it's going to be pretty challenging in managing the full-blown IT asset lifecycle management, and administering and governing their privileges and access control of an expanding workforce. A lot of government agencies hiring and outsourcing people to come and work on their mission critical servers and applications. They need to have a proper privilege access controls and session management or shadowing in place, so that that can be taken care, and making a sense of vast amount of data from different sources to make any informed decisions. That's going to be a biggest challenge, not just for government organizations, but also for any business, consolidating data from various sources and getting an insightful report out of it. The way ManageEngine helps sorting it out, these challenges is through our varied solution. We have solutions starting from IT service management, where it's an ITIL ready application that integrates well with all aspects of your IT comprehensive IT management. And from IT security management perspective, we have privileged access management. You can discover the keys, you can manage your password, you can manage your privileged sessions, and share the password with a very encrypted, like AES-256, the highest encryption that's available in the world. That's how you can share your passwords with your trusted entities. And identity access management plays quite a significant role in a role in making sure the security is properly governed, that's in place. And about our unified endpoint management solution, which manages all your endpoints, and irrespective of the platform, say it's going to be in Windows, or it's a Mac OS based, or if it's a mobile devices. There's a lot of tablets now, Surface Books now, MacBooks, Android phones or Apple phones. All those devices, since it's going to be a mobile devices, it can be all managed from a unified single endpoint management solutions. That includes configurations. We can review and upgrade our group policies, enhance our group policies, so we can deploy configurations to your endpoints, and you can do a software deployment to all your endpoints. You can do patching, patch management, define your own system health policies and deploy it accordingly. And then OS deployment, that's one of the significant aspects, because that's the time consuming one daunted task for any IT administrator or an engineer. So they can get it all done from a unified console, deploy OS. And The other one is about our IT operation management, because any organizations to run effectively, they need to make sure their infrastructure, their network application, their services infrastructure is up and running with very high available time, and they should be able to predict, or if there is a downtime, how they can manage all those things. And with multiple vendors in the market, it's really hard for any engineer to be an expert with multiple tools. But with our IT operation management solution, it's vendor neutral, and it's very easy. With simple steps, you can discover and manage all vendor networking devices, servers, your databases, your cloud applications, and any applications. And the application do support about 10,000 plus device templates out of box. And anything that we needed to add on top of it, we have an ability to add with custom templates and stuff. If you guys need to know more about how we can assist a government organization or any other business to enable with your IT comprehensive IT management, we are more than happy to help with. Do reach out to us, Chris, from Soft Solutions, and we are a New Zealand-based exclusive distributor for ManageEngine. We work with government entity, channel partners, and resellers, and provide a service accordingly to you. So feel free to reach out. We are here to help. Have a good one. See ya.